Mr. Upender from Intas Pharma is coming and asking a question.
Most of the people worried about the third wave. Why it is affected more children only?
So the question about third wave, what is third wave? Is it a truth or is it a scare? The answer to third wave is nobody knows. The people who are claiming that it will come or people who are claiming that it will not come, nobody knows. The time will only decide whether third wave will come or not. What is third wave? If you understand this, if this is the total population and this was the first wave, this many people already got immunized. Now this much population is left. The chunk of the population already get infected and immunized. Now this part of the people already took vaccine. Now this is the children's that are left. Very less but very immunogenic. These people are very stable. So even if 5 to 10% of people who are left are not vaccinated, but they can get this infection, possible. Will it cause the deaths like second wave? Impossible. The third wave is not a scare. However, if you want to prevent it, vaccinate each and every one of us. Thank you. This is Dr. Sanjeev Kumar.